Ooh, I see a fan. Looks like a wind machine. Mine. It's not even that dirty. Why'd they throw it out? It's stupid. It's in nice shape, actually. Wind machine by Lasco. Sorry about that. Okay, here goes nothing. It'll work. Ooh. It's a bit noisy. Huh. Well, that's annoying. Bearings dry or what? The knob's sticky, which is annoying. Low. Medium. High. Huh, slightly annoying. Yeah, it works. It's a bit out of balance, too. This camera's not that awful to where it won't have any image stabilization. It's just not that great. Like I said, not that great. It's slow, too. That was on high. Huh. Anyway, stay tuned.